cool. Okay.
I know.
I never knew.
Hey, this is Nicole Whitlock with the eCom Seller Summit, and I'm coming to you today with the awesome, the amazing Miss Tony Mitchell. Tony?
Hey, how's it going?
And
Everybody doing all right?
she Tony is one of our, she's going to be speaking at our eCom Seller Summit. She's one of our featured speakers, and she's going to be talking about couponing and deals. And let me just tell you, I have been wanting for so long to get started in coupons. I mean, with all the stuff I got going on, and I will say my coupon game is extremely weak, extremely weak. I do use coupons. I use a lot of cash back, but I do use coupons, but not to the degree that I should be because my life is so hectic. So my goal in 2019 is to use more coupons. So I am actually interested in what Tony has to say. So Tony, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Okay, well, I grew up with two Depression era parents, and therefore saving money was always paramount in their mind. And so I have been around coupons and been using coupons for my entire life. In fact, I got my very first camera with this is going to date myself, with green stamps. And is something my grandmother taught me. It was you'd have to watch the course to find out a little bit more. And I have been using coupons ever since. And I have just, the longer I've been doing it, the better I've gotten at it. So, and I now use coupons to help me with my profit margins.
There you go. So what are just like name 2 or 3 things that you plan on covering for the summit in your summit session so that they'll know what you're going to be covering just a little bit, just like 2 or 3 things you're going to list.
Okay. Well, we're going to talk about internet couponing. We're going to talk about how to maximize your savings with coupons, with store deals. And we are going to talk about ways to get money back from your purchases.
There you go. Now, see, I'm all about the ways to get money back with your purchases because I do that myself. I love that. I don't do it as much for my family, so I got to get better at it. And so she's going to give us all kinds of tips and strategies on how to, maximize using coupons to have the biggest profit margin possible. So, Tony, are you giving them a bonus for this event for those people who register and also get the all access pass?
Absolutely. I'm giving them 8 tips that I consider essential on using coupons. And I'm also, if you watch my course, far as not my course, but my, what is this called? Session. Thank you. It's been a long day. Nicole's still mad at me because I went to the WinStar this morning and I had a good time and I won. But anyway, and I was getting product at the same time. So.
She's good at it, y'all. She really is. Like, she will text you some, hey, I'm at this store and they got this deal. And oh, by the way, don't forget to get this coupon. I'll be like, okay, thank you, Tony. I mean, anyway, go ahead.
And what was I saying? Oh, yeah. And if you watch the end of the course, I'm going to give out 2 or 3 nuggets. One that is absolutely going to work now, one that you can apply to use in the next 2 to 3 months, and some other things that I used in the past year that will definitely just send you into a new stratosphere.
There you go. So I'm just telling you right now, if you are not registered for the eCom Seller Summit, you want to check it down in the bottom in the comments up above. Yeah, do it now.
Do it.
Yes, register. And if you, once you register, you'll have full access to the summit. You'll be able to watch it. It is March the 12th through the 14th. It's 100% online. So it is that e-commerce conference that's online. There's a lot of great e-commerce conferences out here where people will host events in hotels, and then, you'll have 200, 300, 400 people there. And we used to host those live events where we would have several people over several days sharing great tips and strategies, but we've now moved all of that online and we're excited about that. So we want you to come check us out as well. Again, you can go to the link that's in either the comments or up above to register for the eCom Seller Summit. And if you happen to grab that all access pass, you will be given access to Tony's awesome bonuses. So she's giving away, I know she's got that one bonus that she's mentioned. She may have another bonus. And then of course we have 18 other bonuses if you have your all access pass. So as part of this particular session, we are going to, this particular Facebook Live, we're actually going to be giving away 100 inventory items. They're going to be personally picked by me. I'm going to package them. I'm going to ship them to you. I'm going to record it and everything. You have to do the enter to win 100 inventory items to jumpstart your business, because you literally could watch all of the speakers in the eCom Seller Summit, get some strategies, some techniques, learn how to get your business started right, and then actually have inventory started sent to you. And if you're already been doing e-commerce, you can use the information that we're giving you to help scale your business. And so you'll be able to use that free inventory just to make more money. I'm just telling, just make more money. Why not? So the way that is you have to share this particular Facebook Live to 10 different locations. For every person that has shared the Facebook Live to 10 different locations, you're entered into the drawing, and we will draw the name on March the 10th. So go ahead and start sharing this video out. We want you to put hashtag replay in the comments. And Tony, is there anything else you want to tell them about the summit before we close out?
Don't miss out, because it's going to be lit. It's going to be lit. And you're going to be sad.
She's going to give away some golden nuggets. So you definitely check out what Tony has to share. So grab your ticket today, check the comment section or check up above in the title, and go ahead and get your ticket. The ticket is absolutely free. Registration is free, and you'll have access to each one of the day's summits until the end of the day. And then they won't be available. So get the all access pass. So you'll be able to have unlimited access to all of the speaker sessions. So thank you, Tony, for taking the time to chat with me today. I'm glad that I was able to catch you, Miss Moneybags over there.
Stop it. Thank you, Nicole, for having me.
And then there you go. And we will catch you on another Facebook Live session later on this week.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.